In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Stripe account. Verifying your Stripe account is essential to activate payouts and stay compliant with financial regulations. I'll walk you through each part of the process, explain what Stripe is asking for, and share tips to help your submission get approved the first time. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard and heading to the Home section. This is where Stripe highlights anything that still needs your attention. In the top right, click Setup Guide. From there, choose Complete Your Profile or Complete the Verification Details. These links take you directly to the identity and business information Stripe needs before it can send payouts. Next, provide your personal or business information. Stripe will ask for accurate details such as your legal name, date of birth, address, and a tax 499 or IN, depending on your business type and region. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your official documents to avoid delays. Consistency matters if you operate as a company. Make sure your business name, registration number, and address match your government records. If you are a sole proprietor, use your legal personal details. Only submit this information through the secure Stripe forms in your dashboard. When prompted, upload your supporting documents. This can include a government-issued photo ID, articles of association or incorporation, and proof of address. Use color, high-resolution images with all corners visible. No glare and no cropping ensure documents are valid and not expired. If you are scanning, set the file to a common format like JPG or PDF. Keep the entire document in frame and make sure text is clearly legible. Now link and verify your bank account so Stripe can confirm ownership and send payouts. Add the account that matches your personal or business name. Depending on your region and bank, you may see instant verification or small test deposits. If you receive micro deposits, return to your Stripe dashboard and enter the exact amounts to complete verification. Keep an eye on your email. If automated checks don't pass, Stripe may request additional details or clearer documents. Respond promptly, and remember to check your spam or promotions folder. You may also be asked to verify your website. Make sure your site is accessible. Includes clear product or service descriptions, pricing, contact information, and required policies. And follow any instructions in your dashboard to confirm ownership in line with the Stripe Services Agreement. Once everything is approved, you'll see the verification status update in your setup guide and payouts will be enabled. Thanks for watching.